I am pleased to announce our Chef of the Month, Zack Silverman. Here's a video of Zack in action.
What meal kit are you guys making tonight?
We got the fajitas, sheep pepper.
The fajitas?
Yeah.
All right. Have you preheated your oven?
Yes. So Christian is taking a nap, so Zach is helping us out with dinner. So
Okay. All right. So you're just gonna spray the pan with the spray.
Yeah,
here you go, Zach.
Zack, you know how to wait. Okay.
Nice. Great
Yeah,
job.
good
Yeah.
job, Zack. Okay, it's okay, Zack. Thank you.
Awesome. Alrighty. You have the meat and veggies.
Ladies first.
Zach, you want to pour?
Zack, you wanna pour this? Oh.
Good job, Zach. You can spread them all out. Make sure they're nice and even on the pan.
Zach, more veggies.
No veggies. Pour this one. The split.
Perfect.
Good job.
There you go. Gonna spread it out.
Spread it out.
Spread it out and spread it out and spread it out and spread it out.
Spread it out. Come on, Zach.
Good job, Zach. You can do it.
This one will be
Mhm.
on top of it.
Mhm.
Okay.
Spread it out and spread it out. No, tell her.
Right. Spread this one. Put this one out. Pour this one on.
Perfect.
Good.
Here you go, Zach. Spread it out.
Anything else?
Mhm. Okay, it's all set.
Yep. So it just goes in the oven, and then you guys should have cheese, sour cream, and 2 tomatoes that you can use after. So you'll just have to
Oh,
chop up the tomatoes, and then you're good to go.
okay, thank you.
You're welcome. All right, enjoy. All right. Bye, Blue Jay.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Zach.
Congratulations again, Zack. If you see Zack around, make sure you congratulate him.